Today, I'm going to be talking to you about how to create a six-figure passive income side business with $0 to start. Now, I know it may sound too good to be true, but I'm telling you, you can do it. I did it, and I'm going to tell you exactly how. All right, so this passive income business, you can actually start with $0, but there are a couple of things that you really want to consider before you start it. The first thing is you want to really love creating content. Videos, posts, and the videos don't necessarily have to have your face in it, so that's a pretty cool feature. You've got to be self-motivated. That's really important. If you're an entrepreneur and you're watching this, you probably already are, but there's no one that's going to be telling you, hey, create that content, make sure you post 20 videos this week. So you've got to be self-motivated to make this work. But also, a big thing that goes along with that self-motivation is passive income earnings every single day. So one of the features I love about this business is waking up, logging in every morning, and seeing just how much money I've already made today. And the last qualifying feature is you've got to be a shopper on Amazon. So that automatically includes, I don't know, another 300 million of you? Who doesn't love shopping on Amazon? Am I right? So what is this passive income side business I'm talking about? It's becoming an Amazon influencer. Amazon will actually pay you to create content for them and then upload it onto their platform. Why? Because this helps their customers make more informed purchase decisions about the different items available for sale on the Amazon marketplace. And who better to recommend products than an independent third-party person? And that's where you come in as an Amazon influencer. So what is the easiest, quickest way to get started earning money, earning this passive income, and not having to invest anything to get started? So the first thing is you're going to want to go ahead and apply to be an Amazon influencer. This is an application process, so you're going to want to look to your highest engagement and following social channel out of, they have 4 different options: Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. So take whichever one of those social media followings you have the largest one of, use that when you apply. I'll make sure to put a link to the application right in the description below here, so you have easy access to just go ahead and click on it, apply. It only takes a few minutes to apply. Once you are approved, the next step is going to be to then apply for on-site placement. What does this mean? This means that you submit 3 videos, Amazon will review these videos, and once approved, you will be eligible to create more content, whether it be videos, images, posts, live videos, and this content will appear directly on Amazon. So for your 3 videos, what you're going to want to do is find 3 things that you've recently purchased or have purchased from Amazon and love and wouldn't mind talking about and kind of showcasing the features and benefits. Pick 3 products and create videos where you are explaining the product, you are showing the product up close, and you're giving your personal opinion and experience about using these products. Be genuine, be authentic, and make sure you read Amazon's terms of service before you create and submit these videos. Then, once you're approved with these 3 videos, Amazon will unlock on-site placement, and now you can get to work creating videos and posts and uploading these content pieces to Amazon all day long. A great place to start, especially for $0 investment, is to look at your order history. If you're an Amazon shopper, you've probably purchased something that you love in the last few months. Probably purchased at least 3 things you've used and love in the last 3 months. So look to those 3 things first. Create awesome video content all around why you love this product and why you think someone else should buy this product on Amazon, and you will likely get approved to be an Amazon influencer. Once you're approved, once you have content out there on Amazon, now it just lives there forever, and it provides an opportunity for Amazon customers to be able to watch your video or click through on your posts or your idea list or your brand store. There are so many different places where your content can show up on Amazon, and this just gives customers more ways to find you and purchase through your link directly on Amazon. This provides you with income coming in every single day from the Amazon Influencer Program from these videos and other content that you've created and then uploaded to Amazon. One thing I love about this program is that you can work as much or as little as you want. There's no requirements for having to, submit 10 videos a week or 100 videos a month. You do it when you can, and honestly, the more you put into it, the more you're going to get out of it. Every single day you get to wake up and look at how much you've already earned that day before you even get started working. It's pretty amazing. So if you found this helpful, please go ahead and subscribe, follow for more tips on how to become a six-figure earning Amazon influencer. This is such an amazing opportunity right now, and I'm trying to get the word out to content creators so that they can start reaping the benefits of this amazing business model. Again, if this was helpful, I would love for you to be able to subscribe so that you can be the first to find out when I post new videos every single week on how you can become a six-figure earner with the Amazon Influencer Program. Happy earnings!